Hi, I'm Eddie with Guardair, and this is the Contain It Kit. The perfect accessory for your Guardair GunVac or flexible GunVac. Simply detach the GunVac vacuum bag and attach the vacuum hose for an additional 5 gallons of storage capacity. Capable of collecting metal chips, bakery crumbs, sawdust, sand, or other debris, the Contain It Kit is ideal for use in machine shops, foundries, woodworking shops, automotive repair facilities, or anywhere where shop housekeeping is critical. Portable and easy to empty, the Contain It Kit comes with a heavy-duty chemical-resistant 5-gallon plastic container, a weighted lid that provides an airtight and safe vacuum seal, a standard cartridge filter, and 10 feet of 1¼ inch flexible vacuum hose. The Contain It Kit is available either as a standalone accessory or with the GunVac or flexible GunVac. So vacuum up your shop debris and contain it with the Guardair Contain It Kit. For more information, visit our website at guardair.com.